think this guy might be in some trouble. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, he's caught up in some fishing lines, so we're gonna try to get him free here. Try cutting this. Oh, wait. That was a lot harder than I was hoping. We got hooked up on the way, so I guess good karma pays off. What's up, dogs? It has been way too long for me. I don't even remember the last time I went fishing. The last video I put out was, let's see, oh, the Kalisa and Lucky Craft video, which was probably 2, if not 3 weeks ago now. And it's been tough. I've been out a few times since then, but the conditions have been pretty bad in my area. But today, we're gonna head inland. We're gonna do some stalker trout, rainbow trout fishing. So, we got the kayak up top. I'm just sitting in line here waiting to get into the place, fixing some camera gear, getting ready to go. Hopefully, we're going for the big one today. In my last trout video, we caught a few. We caught some decent ones. I think the biggest one was around 4 pounds. Today, we're going for the ultra monster. If I can get a 6-pounder, let's just aim for 6 pounds. And we'll go from there. We gotta pay, we gotta get our boat inspected, make sure there's no mussels living in there, and then we gotta get out in the water. I'll see you there. So my current setup, I got 2 rods, one over here, one right here, both trolling grubs. This just seems to be what I have luck on out here. So I'm gonna start with that. I got a few other things, some Rapalas, some other lures I might try if this doesn't work, but this is what I've had luck in the past, so that's what I'm trying first. Once again, just doing a really slow troll between 1 and 1.5 miles an hour. Just kind of, first stop, we're gonna go just around the perimeter, see if there's any good spots where we're marking a lot of fish or where we get a few more bites. So we'll do that for a little while, try to locate them, and then if we find a good little clump of fish, then obviously we'll stick in that spot. But first things first, just gotta do a little trolling, see what we got. So one thing I like to do when I'm first starting out is just kind of vary up the speeds, go a little slower, go a little faster. Just kind of see what these fish are keying in on. Sometimes they like it slower, sometimes they like it faster, so it just kind of depends on the day. So, first hour or so is always just like a testing period. Alright guys, well, I haven't caught any fish yet, but I'm about to try and save this bird here. I think it's a great blue heron, and it looks like it might be caught up in some fishing lines, so don't litter. And always clean up after yourself when you're out here fishing. I think this guy might be in some trouble. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this guy's... Let's see if we can save this guy. Yeah, he's caught up in some fishing lines, so we're gonna try to get him free here without doing the least amount of damage to him as possible. These guys are friendly birds, so he's probably gonna freak out when I try to go in here. Hold on, dude. Whoa, that beak looks... Here, put these on. That beak doesn't look friendly. So I'm gonna try to wrap him up with my jacket first. He doesn't try to peck the heck out of me. Alright, I need these guys. There he is right there. Okay, let's see if we can get him. make sure my kayak doesn't float away at the same time. Okay, here goes nothing. Hold on, dude. No. Oh, this is gonna be tough. We're gonna have to sneak up on him a little bit better than that. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be tougher than I thought. No, stop. Okay, got some line here. Let's cut this. Actually, let's see if we can untangle them. I'm gonna help you. Ooh, man, look at those claws. Trying to figure out. Okay, I think he's fully untangled. Hold on. Okay, let me try and let him go here. Oh, wait. Hold on. No. There he goes. He's off. Whew! That was a lot harder than I was hoping. He actually flew off quite nicely. I think he's gonna be just fine. So, don't litter, guys. Always clean up after yourselves. Any kind of fishing like that. There wasn't even any hooks there. It was just tangled up, wrapped up around his feet and his wings there. But we got him untangled. Let's get back to fishing. Hopefully he didn't shard in my jacket. I think we're okay. Well, that's kind of cool. I'll probably never hold a great blue heron again, or even get that close to it for that matter. But let's get back to fishing. See if we can catch some trout now. Oh, fish on. Oh, look at that, you need to jump. Pretty good. Not even like 5 minutes after leaving that bird that we just saved. I was actually trying to pedal over to go see him again, but we got hooked up on the way. So I guess good karma pays off with a fish on here. See how good he is. He feels like a decent one. I don't think he's huge. Not that 6-pounder that we're looking for today, but he'll be a good fish to start off on. Once again, just trolling right around 1 to 2 miles an hour with this grub. See what we're dealing with here. Straight up and down with him now. Fish finder. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, can work with this. Net in position. Pretty lively, look at that. Sometimes these fish, these stockfish, they clip their fins and they're living in pens their whole life, so they're not the strongest of trout, but this one's fighting pretty good. Oh, that's a really big one. This is the one we were looking for. Oh, this is a good one. This is a really good one. All right, we gotta play this one light here. We don't want to mess this up late. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. It's gonna swim right into this net. Swim right into this net now. Like, oh, didn't like that. Didn't like that. Okay. Not ready yet. And we got it. Oh, that was a good one. That's good karma right there. Wait till you guys see this thing. Oh, I'm gonna put on the stringer. Cardinal, it's the golden rule. Put it on the stringer before you do anything else. Oh, I'm gonna put 2 rings on this guy because he's just that big. Look at this beast right here. Voila! I think it's probably like a 6 pounder, 6 or 7 pounder. Just what we were after today. I said at the beginning of the video I wanted a 6 pounder, and I think that's just what we got right there. Alright guys, well this is what I was originally planning to do. You probably can't see him in the video, but there's that bird that I just saved. I'll circle it just so you can see it, but they're pretty well hidden. It's up on the hill there. Anyways, this is what I originally was planning to do. Come over here and check him out. Make sure he's doing okay. I think he's gonna be okay. He flew away just fine. He'll probably be sore for a day or 2, but in the long run, I think he'll survive. So thank you again to that bird. He's the one who brought me that fish. If I wouldn't have had to go save him, then I probably wouldn't have caught that. So anyway, good day so far. We've saved a bird, we caught the fish we came out here to catch, and now we're just fishing for bonus, so we'll see. And it's about 10:30 now. Been about an hour, a little over an hour since my last bite. Been pretty slow for everyone. I did see one other kayaker get a nice one, and maybe 1 or 2 smaller ones here or there. But it's been a slow day overall. We're looking for more birds that we can save now, because apparently I need to do that before I catch any fish, so we'll keep our eyes on the lookout. We'll see. Wait for that next bite. Fish on. Ooh, smoke. Taking me for a ride. He is running the other direction. Luckily I have more line on this reel, because the other one, we might be in trouble if we hooked up on this one. It's way the heck back there. Alright, we're gonna go chase him a little bit. So just to catch up to speed, it's been a pretty slow day overall. Got that one right in the morning, right after dealing with that bird. And then really no other bites after that. So this is a welcome guest. Feels like a good one. I mean, you can see it taking drag there. It's just, when it hit, it literally was just going straight the other direction. Feels like a good one. Like I said earlier, 4-pound test. I always like to use light line when trout fishing. Trout in general are pretty sensitive fish. I mean, they can detect line. I don't know. They have pretty good eyesight, so they can see the line pretty well. These are actually stock trout, which aren't as good. So you probably don't have to go that low. I'd say anywhere in the 8 to 6 pound range, you're probably good. But I just like to use light line anyways. Makes for a good fight, especially when they're big, like I think this one is. Naughty's putting up a good fight. Totally different. The first one I thought was small when I first hooked it. It was like not going anywhere. This one literally hit and was just going straight in the opposite direction. totally surprised me. I was actually, you can see the boat dock behind me. That's where I was headed. But last minute fish, we'll take it. Like I said, this one feels heavy. 4 minutes into the fight now. I think we're getting close to a point where we can at least see it. There he goes again. Ooh, look at him just dump the reel. Holy smokes. Oh, it just came off. Dang it. Oh, it was a good one too. Just came off, didn't break or anything. Just popped off. Oh, dang it. How it goes with fishing. Dang, I think that was a good one too. Oh, dang, just wasn't meant to be. But anyways, I'm gonna head in on that note. It was a good day other than that one. I mean, we saved a bird first thing in the morning, and then right after that, I mean, karma paid me back heavy with this good trout right here, probably 5 to 6 pounder, something like that. But I guess the moral for today is always pack your trash, and if you ever see any laying around when you're out fishing, go ahead and pick it up, because you might just get paid back with a fish of your own. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.